everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maura and I'm a physical therapist and certified yoga teacher. Today I'll be sharing a quick 10-minute yoga practice for relaxation. As always, please make sure that it is safe for you to be practicing yoga and that you are utilizing props and variations to make poses comfortable in your body. I do have some props nearby. I probably will not use them, but I always recommend that you do have some props nearby that you can pull in at any moment. So it's completely up to you. I'll link what I'm using in the description box below, and definitely check it out because you can find some other helpful resources for injury prevention with yoga and a link to where you can get my free yoga poses guide for beginners. So let's get started today in an easy seat, whatever that looks like for you. Maybe placing a blanket or a block underneath the hips, adjusting your legs so that you're completely comfortable. And once you find your variation, go ahead and close your eyes, relax the neck, relax the jaw, and we'll take a few rounds of deep breathing just to set the tone for this practice. Inhaling deeply through the nose, feeling the breath travel all the way down into the belly, and then exhaling slowly. Gently open your eyes, and on your next inhale, we're going to inhale the arms up, looking up only if that's comfortable. And as we exhale, twist toward the right, keeping your spine tall. And try and keep your connection to that slow, deep breathing throughout this whole relaxing practice. Gently unwind your twist, reaching up again, reaching through the crown of the head, but still keeping the hips rooted down on the mat. Exhale, turn to the left. Slowly unwind your twist, inhaling the arms up once again, and this time release the right arm down to the mat, maybe crawling the fingertips out as you settle into a seated side bend, reaching through that top arm, but keeping that opposite hip grounded. Looking wherever it's comfortable for your neck, and coming down to your forearm if that's for you. Inhale, rolling back up through sitting. Exhale, release the left hand down. Reach through that right arm. Pull and press the hip down. And just try to find that edge where you're feeling some stretching and some lengthening, but it's still comfortable and you can still connect slowly to that deep breathing. That's a big tip in yoga in general. If you find that it's difficult to connect to your breathing, you might need to back off just a little bit until you can find that balance. Inhaling back up and release your hands down. We'll find our way to a tabletop pose, hands and knees. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale to cow. Dropping the belly and lifting the gaze. And exhale, cat. Rounding the spine and tucking the chin. Inhale, lifting the gaze and dropping the belly, lengthening your tailbone. And exhale, round and press. One more time of each. And come back into tabletop and reach your hands toward the top corners of the mat, sending your hips high. Let your head comes down to the mat for puppy. Just letting the shoulders kind of melt down into the mat. Bring your forearms down to the mat. Look up, shift your weight down to your belly. And we're going to come into crocodile pose. You can place your forearms on top of each other and then place the head down on the forearms. Slide your elbows away from each other as you make a pillow with your hands to place your forehead, and then bend the knees. And we're going to windshield wiper the legs from side to side. Release your legs down, and we'll take one back bend here on the gentle side, so you can stick with Sphinx if you'd like, or you can place your hands under your shoulders and come up to baby cobra or cobra, whatever your spine is asking for at the moment. Release your back bend, tuck the toes, and press up and back into downward facing dog. Taking any movements here like pedaling the feet, pressing through all 10 fingers, relaxing the neck. Come back to that slow, deep breathing here. Knees to the mat, a wide-legged child's pose. Sit back. 5 deep breaths here. And gently lift your head and come back up into a seated position. We'll take that same easy seat that we did at the beginning of the practice, and we'll give one last deep inhale and exhale to close this short practice. Inhaling up, exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick 10-minute yoga for relaxation practice. You can return to this practice at any time when you need a calming moment or to hit a nice refresh on your day. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. It really does help my channel and help to support accessible yoga on the internet. See you next time.